Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and then find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick this one. Now we have to tap on edit contact. And first of all, let me remove the photo so you can see, so I can show you what you will see after entering the contact without the photo and what happened. Okay, let me do it again. Basically, all you have to do right now is to tap on this camera icon or add a photo, and then you can decide. You can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it. We have to find the photo we want to use and tap. And here in this step we can change the size of this highlighted square, we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So if you're happy with your choice with the framing, simply tap on done in the right upper corner, and as you can see the photo will immediately appear in the circle, so remember to tap on save. And basically this is how our contact will look like after saving. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list, of course, probably after refreshing, but as you can see, it's refreshed already, so that's good. You will be able to see it right here, or for example during all incoming calls from that number or texting. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.